Hey guys, this is gonna be my first food review. So we are in San Francisco and we got some Aria Korean street food, and they don't have, it's all to go over there. Let's open this up. So I ordered the most popular dish they had. It's Korean fried chicken, and hot and spicy. Look at that, guys. All right, let's try this. So it's boneless. It's basically like chicken tenders. So it's very crunchy, and it's cooked really good. And the sauce, it's actually not spicy. It's really good. And when I ordered, it said 10 piece, but this is way more than 10 piece, guys. This is like double the size. And that's really good. And it's cooked really good. The spicy level is it's not even like, it's like a 2 out of 10. But overall is very good. It's very saucy. Well, I could eat this all day. There is a non-spicy one, but this is not even spicy, so might as well get the sweet and spicy one. So time to rate this. I'm gonna rate it differently. So you know how everyone rates it from 1 to 10. So I'm just gonna rate it. I'm gonna rate all my food from 1 to 5, and it's gonna be like just like class, you know, like A is 5, B is 4, C is 3, and so on. So it's easier to rate, guys. I really recommend this. Really, there's nothing to change on this, but just the spiciness, because they said sweet and spicy, and the spiciness is lacking. Give a minute. So I rate this, everything's perfect except the spiciness. I'm gonna rate it 4.5 out of 5. Everything else is good, it's just the spiciness is not there, you know. If they would just put sweet, it would been good. But overall, it's like really good, man. Really good chicken. Korean style fried chicken. Alright guys, so this is a video for today. Yeah, I recommend this place. I would definitely order again and go back. I want to try their other foods as well. I got this one because it was the most most liked and most ordered food. And it was really good choice. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.